Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the people living in a community can be divided into equal groups of 24, 84, 8. The least number of people living in this community will be. Here, to find the least number of people living in this community, we need to find LCM of 24, 84 and 8. So, we can find this LCM by prime factorization. Here, we need to find least common multiple of 24, 84 and 8. We can do this by prime factorization. Let us take first factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 24 divided by 2 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, we can find the factors of 84. Now, factors of 84 can we find by 84 divided by 2 is 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 by 7 is 1. So the factors of 84 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And factors of 8. Here, factors of 8. 8 by 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So the factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2. Now we can find the LCM of 24, 84 and 8. Firstly, by taking common factors here, which is 2 into 2. Then here 2 and 3 are also common. So 2 into 3. And then factors which are not common means here it is 7. So LCM of 24, 84, 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, which is 168. Hence, least number of people living in this community is 168.